Welcome to WoolTimes. This time on WoolTimes, I'd like to share with you some of the tips how you can use the locality as part of your company's core story. So let's see what are the tips that I have collected here for you, where to go when you want to use locality as part of your company's core story. So this was WoolTimes this time. I hope you found these tips useful. Feel free to comment and share which one of these tips was your favorite. I think that for me, this locality is such a big thing nowadays because I have been doing quite a lot of this regional branding, destination marketing work. So I have been doing these core stories for regions. And I think that's somehow made me see even stronger that the core story, even with the companies, the core story must be rooted in locality, that the locality is such a big thing also for companies. So use locality as part of your engaging core story. See you next time. Bye.